Hello there. Actually, I forgot to turn on the light. Be right back. Here we go. Hopefully this is better. Not really. So yeah, music. Ooh, music doesn't work. Let's just. Why do I just have a randomly have a PID for cow? 1773. What is this? Huh. Whatever. You might hear some noises. Also, my internet is dropping a little bit. So yeah, hello there. As you can see, well, you couldn't see because I wasn't be right back, or rather, starting some screen. Every time the first is redeemed now, you have a 100% chance of summoning a random plushie. Yeah, that's about it. Also, I should do this. No, I I have I'm done with the OLC code gem, and yeah, I have school. I don't really have time. Frames are quite bad. Although a lot of people just asked me about D2 gem. Frames seem to be fine right now. Frames, I know. Hopefully it won't get worse. So yeah, everyone's just saying that everyone's just asking me about it. Uh, do each. By the way, also code gem probably ended. There are posts. I didn't even look really. I have rated a few games from there. Rating should probably come to an end soon. So yeah, people seem to like movement. Anyway, so I don't think it is. Yeah, it's probably still going. 7 days more. 79. Anyway, so yeah, I'm not participating in the two or down to gem, I guess it's called. Uh, yeah, it's pro. Also, Ludum Dare should be running soon, shouldn't it? April 4th. Wait, what? Schedule. Um, April 4th to 7th was there. You didn't spawn any plushies. Well, you didn't. Penguin Operator did. Because first does. First does spawn a plushie. Second doesn't. Now that I think about it, the second should probably spawn a plushie. And third as well. Because first normally gets redeemed just like when I'm when I haven't even started yet. Let's quickly fix it. And also you can get a plushie here. Here you go. Oops. What did I press? Ah, open. So what's up with the size? Hey, that's too much! 4 plushes. I could do 3 to 1, probably. I'll probably just do 1, 1, 1 and make them... It's not bank fight. It's not fight. Come on. By the Penguin Operator, why are you not on the leaderboard? Still. Yeah, it is punch. Also, I have added cooldown for punch. Of 1 second. Rust is protecting it. Oh, it disappeared. Sadly. Oh, then you're switching to The penguin operator. Penguin operator doesn't even have a single plushie, if I remember correctly. It's like, why? You need to get on the leaderboard. It's worth it. Anyway, so where was the first? It's in world, right? World. Oh, it's screen. $104 attack! Oh my god, that's a lot. You need 21,900 XP. Wow. Team minutes. What do we have for me? I'm like 4 levels behind you. I need just 8,000. 47, 53 attack, 47 defense. I can let it out. It's just gonna be there. I kind of wish I put a brick here, where my camera is, so that stuff can stand on it. By the way, this is the old logo. I should update it. Should really update it. Anyway, so first, I'm just gonna do any of first, second, third. First, second, third. Contain count. Value 0 here. Yeah, now we should just restart and hopefully somebody redeems third and we'll see. Might not ever happen, but like, who knows. So yeah, here we go. Music song. Oh, currently playing, let me just check. It's something from Mario Galaxy. Melty Molten Galaxy. Galaxy, Super Mario Galaxy. So yeah, that. Why am I looking at images? Soundtrack. So yeah, just search for that. I guess. Here's the name. Now Galaxy Reactor. Yeah. So I should probably do this. So yeah, Ludum Dare, nothing. I thought Ludum Dare will be at about September. Anyway, so I was looking at rustc stuff and let's just get to work. By the way, counted lines of code in rustc. Ooh, that's a large number. 2 billion lines. Wait, 2 million lines. 2.4 million. Out of those, 500,000 are just comments. Almost 600,000. Yay, that's pretty cool. Yeah. HTML. A lot of HTML. XML, JSON, Markdown, YAML, JavaScript, Bash, text, TOML. How many TOML lines? 10k TOML lines. D is even here somehow. Oh, right. You wanna beat me up? Let's see in minute. Here. Wait, what? Why did it jump? I'm sure I pressed... What? Huh? How did it... Whatever. Anyway. Might be just my cursor. Yeah, might be just my cursor. So, what do we have? LLVMIR, wait, what is this? One file. I wanna know... Highway taking... Oh, you summoned Kid Live, yay. Kid Live is now joined us, which is the software I use for video editing, I guess. Kinda wanted to try DaVinci Resolve. Hello there. So yeah, anyone can get on the leaderboard as long as you catch some plushes. Anyway, so yeah, I wanna know what the LLVM IR. LLVM IR extension. .ll. Find dot dash name masters.ll. Tests run make linker plugin LTO fat. Okay, that is pretty interesting. This also looks pretty nice. Also, music for some reason is loud. I still have no idea how to check it. Actually, I can config waybar modules listen pulse audio. PACTL get volume. I don't know. Volume. I can't spell stuff. Volume. No. Get set. Info. I don't know. Info. Where's volume? Set sync food. I don't want to set it, I want to get it. %. Excuse me? So, okay. That makes more sense. I was thinking like, why is it so loud? And it was at 110%. Anyway, so we're in Rust source tree right now. Should probably make it bigger, although I don't know how to. I'm just gonna make my terminal bigger. Keyticon font size 20. Here. Now I can at least see it. How does Helix look with that? Well, it looks absolutely fine actually, which is not what I was expecting. Right. Why? When exploring Linux kernel source tree. Well, you already explored Linux kernel source tree when you were writing challenge number 4. Yeah. No, not a chance. Map control equal change font size all +1. Okay, yeah, that's pretty useful, I guess. Not that I change fonts much, but it is nice to have. Yeah, thank you. So yeah, if you take a look at this how did I manage to mess it up? Anyway, so if we look at Lost in Files Master Tarball and you look at the description, it was made by composing output of cat urandom into base 64, tiny Shakespeare dataset for like character AI stuff, Orco source tree, and Linux Tarball. So you, when writing this challenge, had to go through the whole Linux kernel source tree. By the way, I suggest you vote on I don't know Nigel, what's that thing? What is it called? Player thing on Discord. Whatever. Here. Maybe this. I mean that. Anyway, so vote on Wave Dash. Yay. 8 hours left. Vote on the you got 1 month free nitro, yay. So vote on the challenge. submissions, and it's gonna be the final one. It's gonna be over. It's finally gonna be over. I waited so long for this. Sorry for taking so much time. It's on me. Also YouTube chat check. Anyway, so we're not we are in Rust kernel source tree, and for a reason. Oh, Rust kernel rustc source tree. So compiler slash rustc src build. Yeah, that's not what I want. I want compiler sources. Is there an... There's no cargo toml. Wait, why? Compiler slash rustc. Rustc cargo toml. So this is the package with dependencies. Wait, so this is not a workspace. Wait, no, it is a workspace. However, huh? So it is a workspace, however, it doesn't include, and in fact, it excludes some crates from compiler. What? Whatever. Anyway, so let's get out of the source tree, and I have a small crate right here, which has this main rs. Yeah, rustc private. I could not link this without LLVM, so if I show you the problem, cargo build, actually clear cargo build. So this is angry at our lib files, which means I need to include rustc driver, which pulls in a lot of crates. And then if I cargo build it, then it is angry at LLVM because it can't find LLVM, but because for some reason it must statically link with LLVM. And in fact, you can't statically link rustc driver at all. So what people suggested for static linking is to go into rustc driver. In cargo toml, you can comment this line out, and if I also copy, I don't know, what did I copy? Yeah, I copied the path, cargo toml. So if I also insert this into dependencies, rustc driver path, also this, I don't care. And then I comment this out as well. Cargo build. Let's see if it works. Well, it probably shouldn't because I did nothing to get rid of LLVM issues. Creates a uindex, huh? Wow. What are you compiling? Does rustc actually depend on all those crates? Oh, it doesn't build. Loop in lambda calculus inside JavaScript. Wait, what? Const loop equals x forever. Const loop. Okay, let me just get this in. Loop closure that returns a closure. Wait, yeah. So this is a closure that returns a closure. Wait, it's not an infinite loop yet. You need to call it. Wait, what? Returns the calling of closure. You can't. You're not calling it, are you? Huh? Since when can you call a closure by wrapping it in parentheses and applying and adding arguments after that? So this is a calling. Like, why is it not? Since Why is it not like that? Or I guess you can get rid of parentheses here. So why is it not like that? Bad frames. Oh no. Oh, and it also has to take this. Wait, what? Bad frames. Oh no. Seems fine now. Okay, whatever. This is confusing. Also, I quit Helix, which I wasn't going to do. Wait. What? That's what you're calling it. Loop is a function that returns parentheses. You're not calling it, are you? Frames are super bad. Okay, fine. I'm gonna do this. Oh no. No, this should work. Hopefully it's fine. Also, my webcam is too dark. Exposure 2000. It's 200, 2000. Doesn't seem to update. Eh? Okay, that's too dark. 4000. Too bright. Wait, now it's not dark. What? What's good? Is that good? Okay, maybe 500. Like this side is not lit up, except that it's as lit up as I can make it. Anyway, should be fine now, right? Please confirm. Please do not deny. Anyway, cargo build. So this was angry. That's something. Oh. Filter on custom build command on macros. If you are attempting to build a compiler without going through Bootstrap, see compiler guide for how to build compiler. You know what you're doing? Set the rustc bootstrap environment variable to any value. Okay, I have no idea what I'm doing, but sure. This is a link I opened. I think it is. Okay, so we're building a Rust compiler without Bootstrap. Calculus. No, I see, but you're not doing it. I see what you are writing in this message, but you're not calling it anywhere. Try it then. Unless this is actually equivalent to like this. Wait. Unless this is actually a thing in JavaScript that you can do, which would be weird. to me. Like, I mean, syntax. Not per console. Actually, not. I don't want a console. Ban. REPL. Is there a REPL? How do I? I don't think I can do this. Do I have Node? I don't have Node. Fine. We'll do it in console. Let's. Oh, I don't have the cursor for resizing for some reason. So let's say A is closure. Takes BC and console takes ABC. Console logs ABC. Okay. Then okay, this makes sense, but what you're saying, yeah, that doesn't work like that. How does this work then? Well, I'm not gonna run it because it will probably crash the browser. It's probably gonna crash the browser, no. Wait, where are the parentheses? Wait, what? Oh, it duplicates twice. It is an infinite loop, but infinite loops crash browsers. Even if I write literally while through, it's gonna... Well, it's not gonna crash, it's just gonna lag Firefox insanely, and it's not gonna work. And your recursive one is gonna kill it completely. Okay, so I see you have this. You have duplicated it twice. Just close the tab. I don't want to close the Rust compiler building guide. But I see why it works now. There... is this tail recursion? If so, then no. It's not. Okay, sure. Fine. Why am I doing this? Why am I... How did you get me to do this? Oh, no. Well, because it's Node.js, it's not browser. Okay, apparently it did Stack Overflow. Too much recursion. But like, tail recursion gets optimized away in like most normal languages. I assume JavaScript is gonna be just-in-time compiled for it and like optimized. But apparently no. Also YouTube check, because I should check YouTube chat more often. It's not, but it is just-in-time compiled most of the time, I guess. I thought. Well, maybe no, apparently. So yeah, this does not explain anything. Why did it not build? Not compiler cspan. CFG release is not set, right? Environment variable not found. CFG release. Okay. Let's call it custom. Mornings. Unexpected CFG. Condition name bootstrap. Well, bootstrap is not set, right? Now it should compile in theory. Configurator bootstrap. Yo, hi Nico. We're compiling rustc here. Oh, by the way, I just realized that frames are probably gonna drop. Because we're literally compiling the Rust compiler, which normally takes forever. Oh, failed to parse rustc version custom. 1.0, I don't know. J2, no! Wait, Is J2 gonna increase or decrease? Also, I have it use crane lift, right? So it should also be faster. Probably. Finally live, yeah. Took me a little while. I was a little busy. Or actually, I was very busy. And also, I skipped like 2 days because of no reason. And yesterday I went to a festival, which was fun, honestly. Okay, so it's angry at it. rustc version. What should I set it? Oh, so it's version first. Okay, let's do... I have no idea what I'm doing, by the way. Custom. I really hope the tree aligns with my compiler version, because if it doesn't, well, it doesn't. I don't know. Wait, am I building it statically? I don't even know. I don't think I'm building it statically, because if I am building it statically, then it should be fine. Wait, rustc doesn't have rustc private, right? Or does it? Rust compiler rustc driver src libres. Can have a small terminal open showing the stream topic. Problem is that stream topic doesn't exist. There is QOTD, which I have not updated in forever. And like, there is stream title, which was meant to show the stream topic. And it is. You can just read it. It literally says what I was supposed to be doing. And I guess what I am doing. Well, right now I'm compiling rustc with this crate. Because I thought... Yes, exactly. Does Rust take time to compile? It does, especially when you're compiling the compiler. But I don't know how long it's gonna take. So, what I did right now is... So, you know, you remember Orco, right? The compiler we were building and will continue to be building. It's just a little intermission. I was actually expecting to get to it today already, but I don't know. So I thought... What Oracle? Anyway, so I thought that instead of Rust Analyzer we could have used Rust Compiler. Because I read a lot about it. Oh, whoa. It's lagging. I can feel the legs. Can you feel the legs? I don't know. So yeah, I thought about using rustc and then, well, I read a lot about rustc as well, again. About using it in the library. Apparently plugin system is deprecated now. You instead should do a custom driver, which depends on rustc driver or rustc interface, etc. And yeah, that's just as before with rustc private. But I read about a few more things. I tried it. Errors about linking against LLVM because I don't have LLVM installed, and I wanted to try compiling it without specifically. Release channel, huh? So I wanted to try compiling it without LLVM. And, well, yeah. Then I also stumbled upon this channel. Custom. Hi, Scott. Good morning. See, I also stumbled upon static linking issues, which just, like, people behind rustc suggested cloning rustc and just removing the dilib line from the last crate. Because every single other crate is just static library. And that's what I did. And now we're compiling rustc just to see if it works. But it probably will not link because it still depends on LLVM, because I've done 0 things against LLVM. So yeah, we're at 288 out of 312 crates. I'm probably just gonna install LLVM at the end of the day, but like, why? For example, imagine I'm building a Clippy version 2 or even better, like fuzzing system. that is a rustc driver. It's gonna call rustc, and for or not fuzzing system, whatever, like a static analyzer checker, whatever. It calls rustc and it must depend on LLVM. Sounds stupid, doesn't it? And imagine I want to run this in browser. Or imagine I want to, like, I don't know, documentation generator in browser. It can't run in browser because LLVM doesn't run in browser, but everything else does. Like Rust does completely fine. Oh yeah, we're compiling. 295. We're getting closer. CodeGen SSA. We're compiling CodeGen now. Let's see where if we get to LLVM, because CodeGen should appear here. What? Oh, I'm looking at it and I was like, how did you send a message from my name with a different color? Somebody is playing with Rust today. Have I looked at Mojo? I have not looked at it, but I have heard of it. Because it's like a Python replacement language, which advertises to be very, very fast. And apparently it is kind of very, very fast, but I don't know. Maybe not like 3 billion times or whatever it was advertised to be. Like, it doesn't really look nice to me because it's just for AI. And I don't like Python. I don't like AI. I do like Python for scripts. I don't like making AIs, rather. It's not my favorite thing to do. Although I have done a lot of it. Unfortunately. So yeah, but statically typed Python would be nice. Actually, I'm not sure if Mojo is statically typed. I don't remember. People were saying that Python is slow because global interpreter lock. Config node LLVM enzyme. Ah. Wait, what am I building? Within macros, where's LLVM? LLVM? Was there LLVM? rustc query implementation. Shouldn't rustc query implementation be like built earlier? Shouldn't have it been? Monomorphize rustc public. Yay. So it might be features. Might actually be features. Oh my god. rustc installed binder. Utilities RS. Okay, let's look at what it actually uses. Because it might be problematic. You have a stupid question? Ask it. You played with it and it's Rust similarities are many, huh? Somewhat easier to pick up than Rust. Well, Rust is pretty difficult. Rust forward to here. Strangle will continue, but what has helped you to understand some things in Rust? That is interesting. That is definitely interesting. I mean, a lot of people do actually take stuff from Rust, even though Rust actually took those things from like OCaml and stuff. A lot of languages, I mean. And Rust borrow checker, you just need to understand it. I don't know how you can have struggles for over 2 years with Rust, because you should have probably figured it out by now. But like the fact that Mojo helps with understanding Rust is interesting. Anyway, so rustc path. Nix develop extra experimental features. Nix command extra experimental features. Like every time you want to activate Nix shell. Oh my god. Can you just add those features to a config file? I don't remember where it was supposed to be, but it's like somewhere. Sysroot.default join. Huh. Where did you get this root.default? Oh, Rust Analyzer is not able to keep up with Rust. The source tree. I wish I had docs for this one. I have no idea where. Put this. I guess I could like do this. I feel like it's gonna mess everything up, honestly. Oh, and we are back to 250 crates, sadly. It's fine. No hover results are available. Still just building. Hopefully frames are not that bad. So yeah. Building, let's see how much it takes. $27, $28, $29, $290. Come on, we're close. Bootstrap stuff. Rustic Constival. That's an interesting crate. Steep passes. Code SSA. It depends on a lot of environment variables, apparently. Yeah. Earlier it asked that I am building it without Bootstrap, and it told me to set an environment variable to anything if I know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, but I did it anyway. So let's just hope. Ooh, stuff's lagging. So yeah, I might be missing messages because they load up. 304 out of 312 crates. We're so close. HR type check. rustc public. Back to rustc public. Couldn't say borrow checker. Okay, somewhere should be another crate. Other codegen crates, I meant. Driver impl driver. Oh, rustc driver build. That means, yeah, we're compiling rustc, which is my crate. This rustc. Wait, this rustc. And it compiled, which is interesting. I am surprised. If I do this, will it just work? Oh, it doesn't say what. Why does it not save? Huh? Oh, it's lagging so much. I'm sorry. Is the stream also lagging? Well, it must be. Well, speaking sometimes like Helix. I guess I'm not doing LSP stuff. Okay, cargo run. Let's see if it actually runs rustc. I'm gonna be surprised if it does. It shouldn't be, because I literally, initially I literally copied the well, I deleted a few lines. I deleted J, malloc, whatever. No frames are bad. Well, we're compiling it. We've compiled it. And would you look at that? rustc unknown. The version is unknown, but it works. Also, camera's lagging behind. Here. Also, maybe I should change different color space. What do you think? BGR3. BGR3 looks a little nicer to me. I don't know. Let's use that. So yeah, it's emulated, but it's fine. Here. Right in generics. What am I looking at? An algebra library. What am I looking at? A cargo book. Huh? Why is it on my second monitor? Anyway, so I also, as you can see, I have a lot of tabs open. Add stream topic. Stream topic doesn't change. Like, why? Why do you want a stream topic so badly? Like, point is, I have it in title. Like, my title should reflect it. And also, I don't know what I'm doing. I can't tell you what I'm doing because I have no idea myself. And I have no idea where it's gonna steer. But, yeah. By the way, it built without LLVM. No, my stream topic is rustc shenanigans, which continue. It wasn't compiling rustc. I didn't compile rustc. I rebuilt rustc with a different main function. It's like whatever. So yeah, LSP restart. Behold, legs. Actually, I'm not sure about this word. Let me check the meaning. Behold. See, witness, see, look, watch, view. I mean, I guess that's what I wanted to say. Or like, another translation would be like there. Whatever. Anyway. LSP is still doing stuff? I don't know. Does Rust Analyzer saves... Does Rust Analyzer save states? States. Incremental compilation save. Because this is a huge project. It's like 2 million lines of Rust. 2 million lines of Rust. Which makes sense, it's Rust C after all. But like, I'm not gonna restart Rust Analyzer every time and wait every time for it to parse the whole Rust compiler. Durable incrementality save, because I know Salsa doesn't have doesn't save stuff. Doesn't have an ability to save stuff. Rust Analyzer cache. Persistent caches. One of the current... Oh my god, what is this word? Peculiarities. Ha. Why am I constantly like getting surprised by English words? It wasn't the case before. Rust Analyzer is that it doesn't persist caches to disk. Exactly. Exactly. And in my case, it's gonna process a Rust compiler. Which, I don't know, I think it doesn't work with Rust C private, but if it did, then it would be much faster. To reduce the necessity of optimizing initial analysis. Wait, what? They like... Whatever. They're delaying improvements to make sure that they do other improvements. Well, that was 2020. There have also already been enough complaints about Rust analyzing keeping running after the client exit because of bugs. If we scroll further, reindexing will keep happening, but the PR link should vastly reduce the reindexing time. So, just want autocomplete. It's like, what's the state? We're just analyzing right now. Anyway, so yeah, this seems to work. If I now do this, I wonder what's gonna happen. Cargo build. Well, I guess it doesn't really matter. Now, if I get rid of dependencies. Excuse me? Use of unstable library feature rustc private. I literally have it enabled. I literally have it enabled. You're kidding me. What? Oh, here we go. For somehow it delayed. It delayed a lot. Oh yeah, Rust analyzer, right. LSP stop. File modified, whatever. If I bring this back and cargo build again. Because I wanna see... Oh no, don't say it's gonna rebuild. No, it's not. I wanna see the cargo output static executable. I wanna make sure, or like, I want Rust to be static executable. I want to make sure I can compile static executable. That's it. Cargo build static. Or maybe that's the default. You need to use muscle. Why? Why do I have to use muscle? Ha. Oh, legs. Right, I know. You know, legs. Because we're building rustc again. I guess, let me just be right back while it's building. Also, add starts. We'll run an add as well. Nigel, I see everything. I look at chat and I see and I see this. Uh, I'm back, yay. High sinking void. Why is it a full why is it the first time chat? Huh. Also add past, right? Oh, and also compiler build. Okay, let's see. File, target, wait, this is just target, debug, rustc, py executable. It's also position independent for whatever reason. Or does it have to be position independent to be dynamically linked? Okay, let's see the dynamic libraries. libgcc, libm, libc. That's actually pretty good. Now, I wonder if it's gonna depend on this directory, which also probably has a bunch of new files. No, it doesn't. But I mean, so it depends on libgccs. Your hard disk is fine. Yay. You're able to access data from the Linux system. So have you installed Linux system or have you just live booted it? Or did you actually boot from your hard drive? Okay, let's see. What was I going to do next? Let's see if I do this. HR allowed you to take work laptop home. Yay. Good HR, I guess. I actually have no idea how HR is, what this acronym stands for. I have a vague understanding. Anyway, let's add rustc component, add LLVM just to make it easier to do stuff. Human resources. What? Huh? Wait, LLVM LLVM tools or something. Actually, in a larger company, this wouldn't be done by HR, managing work laptops and stuff. It would be done by like what is this called? Systems administrator? I don't know. Doesn't sound quite right, but I feel like that's how it's gonna be. You know, let's see. This rustc, same thing, LDD, and now it probably also depends on libz, Linux, libm, libpthread, librt, libdl, liblvm here. So yeah, it depends on many more things because, well, I built it outside of the kernel tree. Anyway, LSP restart. Let's see. Hopefully Rust Analyzer can keep up with rustc private at least. Yeah, let's see. Rust Analyzer, rustc private. Who's winning the tournament so far? I have no idea, but probably Ruby, because Ruby has very good scores, which is like, yeah, I just noticed this. Ruby always gets a very good token score, and, well, I mean, speed is not very good, but it is pretty decent. It beats Bash. And like Penguin Operator also does a good job at making solutions that work. Although I do feel kind of bad for fixing the last Ruby solution, because without the score is much worse without the skipping system I had, the slope skipping system, which I had to cut out because it was implemented invalidly. I know how I could have fixed it, but it did take quite a bit. If comments looked good on Discord Markdown, you would get a really good score. I mean, it's not Discord Markdown, it's just this. You can, when you rate, you were supposed to click this, by the way. And comments look good, in my opinion. There are a lot of them. Yeah, all those let-ins, and the fact that you need to import floating point operations. But other than that, they make it look messier. Well, I don't know. How are they better in your editor? Also, what was I going to edit? Oh yeah, right. The scripting language tournament. Actually, let me do this. Not import, just custom syntax. Yeah, but the fact that they are not there by default. I'm pretty sure you had to import float as well, or something. Linked to integer. Oh, so you can't have integer and float at the same time, can you? Reminds me of Bash, you know. Anyway, so navigation optimal. Highest score goes to C actually. And then comes Ruby with 600. Oh wait, a camel is also tied. And then comes Ruby with 600. Then we have Solon readmes, by the way, now. To readme. Then we have the second challenge, which introduced token scores. This is where it went south for C. Ooh, Ruby got very bad time score on this one. Yeah. So it's C and TypeScript tied, which is interesting, to say the least. And it is... Wait, it is Bash winning... What? It is Bash winning this one, actually. And Ruby got pretty low here. Then we have Ruby first place, Bash second. Okay, token score, and it's you should not underestimate it. I know that I underestimated token score when I was doing C. I was going for time or precision solutions, drastically reducing my token score. Anyway, so we have Bash second place, Ruby first place. So this is what 3. Then for the fourth one, Bash disqualified. I just gave up on it. Sorry. We've got Ruby first place again, which is a common trend now. Then C, and then OCaml and TypeScript are very close. And then obviously for fifths, there are no elegant scores yet, but it is also looking like Ruby's gonna win this one. So Bash has higher scores, but Bash is not gonna get very good elegant score. Either C or Ruby. Well, no, you never know. I'm still yet to add all those up, and also completely forgot, right? Because we have, if you scroll up here, if you scroll up far to the very beginning, in fact, here. all those have scores as well, which I do need to factor in. My scoring template. Oh wait, wow! I had a scoring template. Why? What? Why? Portability, ecosystem, average development time. Let's see. Ocaml, what did Ocaml have? Wow, 75 messages. Oh my god, I'll have to scroll through all of this. Ocaml got very good here, but I'm pretty sure Ruby got even better here. I was like, literally going to put 10 out of 10 for all of those, but like, yeah, there are some downsides. It is old, but Ruby's syntax it is actually clean and elegant, short and elegant. It's like I agree with this sentence now. Now what is this? TypeScript. Doesn't deserve better in this round because at least because ecosystem. Ruby is easy to use and it has a good ecosystem. It's just that it's old and not very updated. TypeScript also got very good results. I remember Bash not getting very good results. 6, 7, 8. Yeah. I'm yet to like write all those down somewhere in readmes. And yeah. Anyway, so Rust LSP, wait. It's not here anymore. Did it quit? Wait, I restarted it, but that means it's gonna take forever again. Unresolved external crate. Oh, here we go. It's not working. Oh, here. Yeah, it's not working for rustc private. Huh? rustc private. That's not the rustc source. Rust compiler workspace. Oh, I have that. Actually, if I go to Rust, did I mess up Git here? No, I didn't. Let's move Rust to dev third party. That's where I keep all projects that are not mine, as in like I don't own them. Okay, let's now. How do I actually config that? Installation section details configuration. Configure your editor. Helix. I don't care about the binary. I care about config file. I guess I need like a JSON. Oh, here. Some clients provide Rust-Lazarus specific configuration UIs, others may require you to know a bit more about the interaction with Rust-Analyzer. For the later category, it might help to know that the initial configuration is specified as a value of the initialization options field in the whatever LSP message. The specs say that field's type is any question mark, but Rust-Analyzer is looking for a JSON object that is constructed using settings from list below. Huh. Name of the setting ignoring Rust-Analyzer dot prefix is used as a path and the value of the setting becomes a JSON property value. Proc macro support can be achieved by setting JSON. How do I actually function used by Rust analyzer set array log environment variable to Rust analyzer equals info. Rust analyzer equals info. Is that what I need? Wait, no, underscore. Now Rust analyzer started. This is a lot of messages. Yeah, I don't think this has anything. Let's quit and see. I see nothing. I see nothing. No outputs. What is this? Oh yeah, right. C Rust. Wait. Rust analyzer config helix. Language.config. Huh? Cache priming. Okay, if this works, then yeah, nice. Helix languages toml. Rust. Okay, so we need rustc rusty path. This one. In the Rust compiler workspace. Scour to try to automatically find it if the rusty dev component is installed. Oh, right. I did not copy the E. Okay, let's close this then. Because discover is the better way, right? Package metadata Rust analyzer. Rusty private true. Now. LSP restart. Let's see. Let's see if it works. Doesn't seem to. Okay, I guess we'll still need to add the configs. So what was it? Language.config. Language config. Source equals discover. Because I do have rustc dev component, rustc. Rust up. Rust src. Well, sure, rust, I guess. Stop tool chains nightly. Let's see. We have been, etc. Lib. You challenge me to run subtle window manager. Oh, come on. Let me just let me just check share. Yes, this doesn't have it. Fine, I guess. My bet it's not gonna compile because it's just outdated. Is that what you mean? This one. Actually. Tailing. Wait, what? Tailing Windows Manager. Good question. I won't be able to. However, if it is a Wayland window manager, I can. For example, I can do nix run these packages DWL, for example. No, it's X11. Sadly it is. However, I can run DWL. And here we can see it opens as a window, which, yeah, I can't really interact with it. I don't remember the keybind, and it might not be able to open. Wait, that's not what I wanted to press. But like, point is, you can run Wayland window managers. Mod shift enter, maybe. Wait, where did it go? Mod shift enter. Yeah, it might be absorbed by my window manager. Just wait. So yeah, I'm not gonna be doing that. Alt shift enter. Actually might be. It might have to wait, it worked. As you can see. We have a window manager and I can run Firefox in it. Wait. Oh, wait, Firefox is not gonna run in it. Because Firefox will open the window in the window manager it is already opened. Alt Shift C to close. Oh, it works. Anything else I can run it here? A sprite, I guess. Yeah, here you go. It works. Is there a way I can make it floating? I don't know. Those are the keybinds you use everywhere. Sure. So yeah, Rust Analyzer doesn't seem to work. Oh, it's already like... What? It's 2100 lines already. Prime caches, stuff took, queue stuff. You remember opening Cosmic like that? Content modified, okay. Let's just reopen Helix. Oh, right. I forgot to reload config. Helix language config. It should be LSP config, honestly. Language servers indent comment. Language servers. Formatter command, language server configuration. Config, I guess, yeah, I guess I just need to add config to language server. language server.rust analyzer. I should be able to do config equals this. And let's see if it works. I don't think it will, but what if it does? Would be cool, wouldn't it? It will take forever. Anyway, so yeah, what was I going to do again? Oh right, I have all those tabs open. Yeah, I can close that. I can probably close that. T2 live, yay. Don't have to know that, but yeah, sure. Foo.rs. C runtime should be dynamically linked. Whatever. It's probably static linking. Rust LVM doesn't really matter. Yeah, I was asking how to avoid LVM. Now, what is this? Rust private errors with LVM. Yeah, LVM was an issue, as you can tell. Greenf Cogen backend for Rust. Oh yeah, and I was trying to avoid LVM again. What did you expect? I added crane lift just to avoid LVM. Y.sh. There was x.py, now there's y.sh. Anyway. And here we go. rustc driver, rustc interface example. Then there's rustc driver example. Oh, it was literally that, probably. Right? Wait, no, this is rustc driver. Okay, so yeah, we don't need this. So there's rustc interface example. If I duplicate tab and change this to rustc driver, this should be rustc driver example. Yeah, it exists. Ignored by rustc. So yeah, this is rustc driver. Callbacks, config. After create root parsing, compilation continue. After analysis, compilation stop. This is pretty cool. And what about interface example? What is it actually doing? Config. Oh yeah, right. We need to manually specify config. And then we just run compiler. Interface passes parse. And then we do create another global context. Type context. Well, they advise to use rustc driver. Let's just copy all of that. Tested with nightly. So what do we have here? Rustc private. We don't need a file loader, do we? And callbacks. Well, no, we do want callbacks. After all, that's the main thing. Okay, after create root parsing, compiler create. You're right. Analysis run compiler. Let's just pass env args, I think. Collect to a vector. So yeah. Expected mutability found ident. Wait, what? Oh, right. Sig ident body. Wait, where? How are you expecting mutability here? I mean, Rust analyzer loaded, which is surprising already. But like, what? Wait, right. Ident and... Huh. What's wrong? Oh, right. Static ident. Because this is a mutability. Wait, no, it's not. Well, yeah, static starts with mutability and then comes ident. Apparently that was an old example. Okay, now it's angry at what? Oh, right, it's just Rust analyzer that's silent. And look at that, it runs. How about we write a little example? res fn main println hello world, yay. With example res. Well, it works, I guess. So we just print that, and then early binder value fndef something something. Okay, let's just do that. Actually, I kind of want stacked layout. Anyway, so after create root parsing, we print all items, which I don't care. Can I just get rid of those? Are there defaults? There should be defaults, right? There are defaults. Yay. That's pretty cool. Now, after analysis, it should just give me t type context, which is, oh my god, that's so nice. Last time I remember using rustc private, it was such a pain. HR free item. Why are items free? Why are items free? Are they not paid? Free items. So yeah, free items. Traits. Whatever. Let's just see. So item match kind. If it's static or function, ident. We get type of ident. Wait, no, we get type of. Huh? What does this take? Key into query param definition ID. Okay, so it takes definition ID. Okay, main hash 0, which is the name. Which for some reason, I don't know why it's called like that, but sure. And the type is an early binder. What is an early binder? And value is a function definition. Query type of ty early binder. Okay, actually I can just go. Oh wait, it does return early binder. Why do I not get a preview? Okay, similar to binder, except that it tracks early bound generics. Oh right, binders are like generic stuff. Okay, and we don't care about CCX stuff. Derive where skip debug. Wait, what is this? Oh, it actually does skip this in debug. Wow, I want this in stable. It might actually be stable already. I don't know for sure. Okay, and so the value context, right? This is a generic, and ty. The value is actually ty, which is fndef. How? How is that an fndef? Turned T. Rustc type info ty kind. Oh, here it is. The debug chain is pretty insane. Wait, what is this? Rustc type IR. Ah, interesting. Okay, so we need type kind, which is fndef. Anonymous type of a function declaration definition. Each function has a unique type for whatever reason. Show the user shown to the user as a fan to isolate to foo. The foo bar here. So this can coerce to a pointer. Wow, this is so nice actually. How did since when did rustc private become so user friendly? pp rust, what is this? Test state cow unnode pp un tokens. What was I importing? Items of string. Yeah, I don't really care. Config. Yeah, I also don't really care. So yeah, that's pretty nice. How about we go get it into Oracle? I mean, why not? Now, we go to example. Can I do mod test? Will this run? Team. FN test. Plushy micro. Are you leaving a plushie? So that's there. I'm also gonna put mine on there. Also, I somehow got this page opened again with overwriting generics. I'm not gonna beat you to death though. Oh, they're so close. Anyway. One warning emitted. Oh wow, this worked. Oh wow, this worked. Test is an early binder as well. That's pretty cool. That is very cool actually. Okay, item kind fn. And it's actually rustc is actually nice. It's a relatively simple to understand codebase. It's generics, ident, body ID. Okay, right. This is familiar. I don't care about static. Give me the body. Well, I guess ident as well. Actually, debug format of ident, that's probably why we have #0. Body now, TCX, which is the central data type of the code base of the compiler. Let's see. Each walk top level module. Oh my god, this feels like so powerful. MIR. I want MIR. How do I get MIR? I want MIR. Give me MIR keys. MIR build. Local def ID. Build the MIR for the def ID and prepare it for const qualification. Ooh, this looks very cool. Let's try that. Into query param local def ID. And this one was just def ID. I should probably be able to either curse that or find HERID. And this is gonna be steel body. So this is a query. Feedable. G1. I don't really care about steel, I care about body. Basic blocks. Ooh. Okay, I want to string this. I want to pretty print my R. TCX. Pretty. MIR. Print. Pretty. MIR to string, I don't know. I need. I don't know. Oh, this does work. Wow. Let's see, which one do I need? I actually have no idea. How do I MIR? How do I to string the MIR? Okay, which uh, rustc middle? Oh, that's probably what I need. Rustc middle. MIR build. HAR, THA. I have access to THAR now. I'm exploring rustc. Basically. Per kind, scope box if called by use binary cast whatever. Now. Why did you flee? Where's the search box? Oh, here it is. No! It's here. Yay! We got it in time. It's cheating. Nothing's pushing Nigel into getting more plushes. I really need somebody to join the stream and just catch like 50 plushes or okay 20 plushes to just make some competition so it's more fun. Caramel. Ooh, I remember you naming it. Okay, so what was I going to search for? MIR to string. Oh my god, the search takes time. MIR to string, body to string. Well, I should probably be able to. I might be able to just do MIR here. Still doesn't implement. Force. You wanna play some basketball? You have debug. Five is downwards. Why is it angry? Oh right, semicolon. Here. Huh. Data none. Wait, why is data none? Go to steal. Borrow. I can borrow it. You landed on top of me. Now borrow should have display. Oh, this also uses tab for some reason. Okay, body doesn't implement display, right? To string, to debug, str. Ooh, I want that. I want everything you can give me. Want for structs. Okay, so this requires default of n. How do you import it? Use rustc query system dep graph dep node params. I added the use. You're kidding me. This one declared create a module linked whatever. Oh right. Well, I guess let's extern it. Let's add the external create. Okay, it panicked. Attempted to read from stolen value. Ah, how dare you? You'll be back. Okay, see you. Hi, Danielle. On the YouTube side. Well, I can't say I'm working on. I'm just having fun with Rust compiler apparently now. So, well, normally and soon, hopefully. So hopefully today I'll get to it. We're working on Orco, which is a compiler. Why are you pushing me? I don't know. Which is a compiler, backend, something like that. We use some features, whatever, and we're gonna be using Rust compiler to compile Rust code and get it into the backend, basically. That's the idea. You're hiding from me, from everyone. I feel like I just made all your work pointless with those adverses. You know you can click on screen, Nigel. Cool, yeah, it's pretty cool. So without further ado, let's actually go into Orco source tree and do this. I actually have, I'm not sure. You're trying to hide from me. Or like, not from me, I can see you still. I can see flashes. You're trying to hide flashes for some reason. Anyway, Orco frontends. Let's add a new Orco rustc. So see, that's why it's called array, not Rust. Cargo new. Cargo init. Lurk. Nice lurk. Cool. Let's get to camel somewhere. What is it called? Caramel? A caramel. We started learning Rust maybe a week ago. Find kinda hard. It is hard once when you're getting started with it. It is hard. And force. Come on. Wait, why is it not moving? I mean, it is down and a little bit to the right, so it makes sense. Oh, you caught on my cursor, which used to be there. That's pretty funny. Just trolling. Anyway, cargo tunnel. Let's add that here and let's edit. Did they just get on top of me? Wait, that's not right. Just see cargo tunnel. So yeah, we'll ignore crane lift for now. We'll just add rust analyzer stuff here. Also, why does this not have spaces? Wait. I added it to here, which no, should be here. Now main. rustc main. Feature rustc private for actually for lib rs. Huh? Expected an item. Or rustc well, I don't know. Let's just do extern create rustc driver. Actually, let's edit rustc src main rs. Let's just take all of this and let's just put it here. And let's just run compiler. So yeah, let's imagine that we just have custom callbacks. Or callbacks. Yeah, this is pretty fun. Okay, and we just do all the args, by the way. Okay, LSP doesn't want to work. Oh right, I need to restart it. So the rustc private actually works. So this is rustc driver. Run compiler. We'll have to wait for it to load, but in the meantime I can just cargo run this probably. Package orco rustc tamago, no matching package tamago font. Question search create IO index. Wait, what? Tamago's not there anymore? Oh no. Wait, what? Huh? Oh. Almost zero terminal. Where did Tamago go? No. How can you get a package unpublished? The requested crate doesn't exist anymore. No, rewrite everything. Rust, I don't have problem Tamago. Wait, I don't think this is... I don't think this is... Just out of curiosity, but I don't think this is related. This name is like... interesting. Yeah. This is definitely not it. Yeah, but the fact that it includes Rust and Tamago in one sentence and the result before that is the same. It's like weird. Whatever. Definition of the Tasso compiler using equality saturation. What? Yeah, that's not what I wanted. So I don't think Tamago is gonna come back anytime soon, sadly. I don't think I can find it either. A microkernel implemented in Rust. Well, let's just search for another C code generation. Right. C code generator library. This is what, over 6 years ago. Like, I looked at all of them. Generate header. Yeah, not very useful. Module. What is module? Oh, IDL stuff. I don't know what this is. Let's come back to their 6th gen. C++ code generator for integrating 6x grade into higher level tools. Eh. You need state machine DSL for code generation. Whatever. Well, I mean, it's not that big of a deal. I can just use a bunch of formats. I can just use a bunch of formats. But like the fact that a crate can just disappear in the blink of an eye without any warnings is like okay. Yeah, not okay actually. It starts in 5 minutes. How long should I make the stream? I mean, I guess we can make it relatively long. So yeah, I'm gonna have to fix Tomago. Hold on. Let me just... yeah. I'm back. So, YouTube check by the way. So yeah, I will have to re-implement Tamago stuff. Or I guess just comment everything out. I mean, it's not a big deal, because Orco is the layer. It is, I mean, it is just fine. I guess. So yeah, I can't really do that. Codegen types. I'm just gonna comment this out. Mutex back. Ow. Backend new self build. Yeah, no, not gonna happen. Comment this out. Default escape. So it should work. Oh my god, what? Oh yeah, it's just new lines messing with me. Let's see. Building again. Run compiler. Okay, so it's angry that... Oh right, rustc private should also be enabled here, I guess. Stable rustc private. LSP is gonna catch up. Is it gonna catch up? Okay, so it's angry. Ha. Weird. Alright. Let's change everything. Work with callbacks. Frontends, array, samples. Or actually, are there samples? Simple RS. Okay, so what do we have here? Unit struct is private. It should definitely not be private. It should be as public as possible. 21 crates. Now let's see. So lib should not have to. LSP is not working. Obviously, I guess. Okay, so what now? Yes, one stable library feature, rustc private. Right. I mean, I guess I can include it twice. Not that big of a deal, after all. Guys, we're back to square one. It's another work rewrite. Wait. Wait. Except that this time we actually like have stuff. Since Coder Live. Yay! That's great, isn't it? It's been a while since I've seen Infinite Coder being live. Also, ad starts in 50 seconds or something. Anyway, considering a main function. Oh, it's angry for not having main. Ha! That is pretty cool. Can I just to-do it? Wonder what's gonna happen. She panicked. Tempted to read from stolen value, right. So yeah, let's get to fixing it. LSP is just dead. Let's restart Helix maybe. So yeah, what callbacks do we have? Alright, LSP. We need to wait for LSP. rustc AST pretty. Huh. Is there rustc MIR pretty? Oh, there is MIR pretty stuff. Rustc public, rustc internal. Single and then right. Human-able textual representation given MIR with default pretty print MIR options. So this. Oh, it's lagging. It's lagging because compilation stuff. Oh, LSP loaded? Yay, it did. So callbacks, what do we have? Parsing, after expansion, after analysis. To continue compilation afterwards. Yeah, we need more than analysis. However, I also want time passes callback. How often do you use iter tools? I never use iter tools because I prefer to have less dependencies. Linker create. Oh, wait. Linker is far. Callbacks after expansion. Right, dep info. What do we have here? Says stuff. Callbacks after analysis, and then we have if tcx sess options output types contains key mir, then receive mir transform dump mir emit mir. Huh. Emit mir. Let's actually see. Output file names. Write MIR pretty none. Wait, I want that. I want everything. Right. So after analysis, we'll just write MIR. Does it return the result? No, it doesn't. Unwrap. I don't care. You used it many times, but always only for chunk iterator. Well, I always wanted to use it for intersperse and stuff like that. Wait. Yeah. In Rust for intersperse and in Python for joining strings, I'm pretty sure. Wait, no, it was... Wait, no, it was also for Rust. Wait, intersperse is joining strings. Wait. I'm confusing Rust and Python. Because I wanted to use it in both, but I didn't want the extra dependency in both. Compilation stop. What if we don't? With legs. What if we don't stop compilation? What if we kept going past the end of the year? Whatever. So we're building. We failed. Not found in the scope override. Qualify. Right, MIR pretty. Should be pretty. Oh right, stdio. I don't know why people just like importing IO for some reason. I like to do least imports possible. alloc1. This is not yet implemented. Huh. Okay, is this... Wait, is this the string? Is this the string bytes? Is this why we need the fixture sizes and stuff? Function never used. Warning, this output format is intended for human consumers only. So many ugly double colons. Double colons are not ugly. Aren't they beautiful? That's beautiful, isn't it? Just here. Wait, code is not what I want. It's gonna open GitHub. Wait, go away. What code random verse? Results. Oh, long. Hash sets. Whatever. We'll just spend the next hour of the stream looking at this. Peak content, isn't it? Whatever. I can actually stare at it for forever. By the way, can I just do double colon without everything else? 404. What is that? That's turbo.fish. Just open turbo.fish. You said you don't want so many ugly double colons. Yeah. fn function. What is this? fn main. Core panicking panic. Unwind continue. Look 1 not yet implemented. Whatever. So yeah. CMIR. Right, MIR pretty high back. High back. Warning, this output format is for human consumers only. It's subject to change. It's subject to change. Okay, so what is this? Dump MIR FIDs. Just a vector of the FIDs. Render body. How do you get bodies? This takes body. Oh, right. T6 is const of n. Instance MIR, T6 instance MIR. Instance kind. Doesn't have any docs on it, which is interesting. Usually defined callable items. Intrinsic. With table shim. Oh wow. Oh well. This is a body. Well, I just wanna iterate through all of my other things. Actually, I should actually just copy all of that. Wait. Here. Oops. Okay, I have no idea which crates I do need, which crates I don't need. I know I do need rustc driver. And rustc middle, probably. Others don't really matter. Oh, and also rustc interface, I guess. Interface. So, yeah. Driver compilation run compiler. Yeah, no, we don't have run compiler. We do have compilation though. Also, you know what? I'm gonna get rid of this import. Just to make you more annoyed. Compilation stop. Halt! I say halt. Whatever. How do you actually write backends for us to see normally? What's a camel? Rust is better than a camel? Yay. You don't like the unchecked exceptions? The middle rusty driver. MIR, dump MIR. By the way, penguin operator. Wanna get to the leaderboard. You want to get to the leaderboard. You want to beat Nigel. Surely. They don't have easy ways of dealing with results like question mark and Rust. Yeah, I guess. Okay, so what do we need? What was I going to search? I don't remember. Come on, come on. Oh, right. Receive custom backends. Yay! NVVM, SpearV, GCC. Okay, I can look at Cleaf. It's on the GitHub. Rust up to rustc. 1.91.0 nightly. Which one is this? Online of first game. Plushy Ruby. Fight. It's not fight, come on. It's punch. First move you learn is punch. I'm pretty sure all plushes except like one, maybe. I'm not even sure if there is one that doesn't have punch. And you need to choose who you're gonna fight. And also, you need to catch a plushie first, ideally. Because your Ruby plushie is probably not gonna survive for that long. Commands. Okay, so, I'm pretty sure that you don't have a single plushie. I can confirm it. Let me just... What do we have here? Yeah, that's not what I need. Yeah. Penguin operator, do bank team. It's gonna be easier. Actually, I found it. Yeah, you're not there. You don't have any plushes. So you need to catch one. Actually, it just disappeared. Right. So you need to catch a plushie. In order to do that, you need to punch a plushie a few times and then try to catch it. Here you can have Ruby. Where is it? Oh, right, I need to flee. Here you can have Ruby, you can catch it. You can fight it, you can catch it. And it's gonna be your first. You need the plushie to fight them. Or rather to punch. Why is it so difficult, honestly? Also, YouTube check. So I wanted to look at the source code. Is there main? There is no main, which means it's lib. Yeah, here goes Ruby. Feature ST private, feature F16, feature F128 with what? Only used to define intrinsic and compiler built-ins. Note, please avoid adding other feature gates when possible. Okay. Macro use on rustc middle, which is interesting. Rustc driver, obviously. Okay. Prelude. Where is the entry point? Killer source. Init session link time optimizations. Instrument coverage. Target config. Print version. Codegen crate. Six local crate, huh? Ahead of time, JIT mode. And join codegen. Yeah, I saw that before. Backend config from options. By the way, I wanted to see traits, right? Notice you never get add braces to the disclosure code action from array. Okay, let's see what we need. So, example, wait, simple. Trait test or trait, yes. Let's add an impl trait here. The impl trait. f, fnf, that returns actually to, I said f, takes self. Okay, only, body. Alright, I need to comment all this out. I still keep this. Signal is found. Yeah, no, I can't. Can't really. It's fine. Compilation override. You know what? Let's just import it, I guess. Since it's used more than once, I meant. Anyway. Warning to warning submitted, sure. Infiltrate. Debug V. Ha. Oh, so it's debug symbol, right. Let me 0. Size 32, let me 2, which is infiltrate. Reference. 2 is autoref. 0 is infiltrate as trait. Why is it called like, why is it like that? F move 2, return BB1 and 1, I unwind BB3. Clean up. Yeah, I have no idea how we're gonna do unwinds. Return drop 1, return BB4. Unwind, terminate, cleanup. I have no idea what this means, honestly. 0 is a unit type, 1 is a never type. 1 is core panicking panic. Not yet implemented. Unwind, continue. Anyway, so yeah. I mean, that kind of works. Anyway. Let's check CodeGen stuff. So CodeGen crate, how does it find which crate to CodeGen? TCX crate name, local crate. What's local crate? Why is it lagging so much? Almost never, but it is a useful feature. Nevertheless, in my opinion. What is a local crate? Currently compiled crate would have the crate now. That crate now. The crate now. It's crate num local crate. Alright. Insert FAT. Using it right now to represent audio samples parameterized by number of channels. Well, yeah. That's the use for those, I guess. Like, when you're wrapping slices and similar things, I I can see somebody making a type for the number of samples instead though. So it would be like or some number of channels, so it would be like sample of one channel, where one channel is a struct, and then impl number of channels. One channel const number. I do not agree with that, honestly, but wait, I32 equals 1, but like I can see people doing that. Anyway, so local crate. So we do start codegen for crates. Wait, how do I here? Can you stop people for can you stop implementers from implementing? What do you mean? Can you stop implementers from implementing number of channels? I mean, you can't stop implementers from implementing a trait, can you? But like, doesn't make sense. Oh, creating their own types. I mean, you can make an item, a trait item that you need to provide that has like a private type. But like in this case, you probably are better off using an enum. And yeah, since you're using enum, you're probably gonna use constant as well. Because if you don't want other people to implement, yeah, but enums can be const. What? Just like you do const n in like in trait in generic parameters. I mean, it is a value, right? But still, it is quite a bit different. Any of those are just speed and size. Build ASA. Okay, let's see the start of the thing. This actually is simple. Looks simple. Okay, run ahead of time. Target CPU. CGUs. Oh no, yes, that's what I don't like. Connect and partition mono items. Well, yeah, I'm probably gonna rewrite it. So that means I am doing this. I am doing a custom driver. Or should I? Or should I? I don't know. Because I would like to. I would like to do a non-custom driver. Wait, the backend. I would like to make the backend a custom backend instead. So use the rustc infrastructure. Hot plugs. Okay, let's see. Wait, it's here. C target GCC. Spur V target Spear V. Does result get optimized to option? Not quite, but like point is, if you have any enum, it's gonna be just like if you write your own option, it's gonna be as optimized as regular option, and the result is just an enum with two branches. And so, if you have a result where one branch is a unit type and another is a type, it is equivalent to the compiler, like the option as the option. It's the same. It's this enum is basically treated in the same way. And so rustc will, even if you write your own enum, which has a one branch of like none or anything named but unit type, and another branch of a non-zero U8, for example, it's gonna be an 8-bit value, so it's gonna be compressed. Second managing code gen, minor lowering. Is it forgetting a type? Yeah. Dynamic code gen backend. Close that, I guess. Mm. Okay, give me the docs. I don't care. Give me the search bar. Okay, I did open the wrong crate apparently, which is possible. Which apparently is possible. And I did this again. I need something with rust in it. Search. No, this one is right for sure. C codegen sake trade codegen backend. Okay, codegen crate. Join codegen init print target config. Okay, so codegen crate. Well, yeah, that's basically it. When is it called? Session outputs. It's just confusing. So here you run it, and then here AUT ongoing codegen. You join. What does join do? Module codegen self modules. Sync, async. Oh, right. So you join all the threads. Diagnostic context, fatal. Work product. Okay, Twitch broke. Or did it? Okay, I don't believe it, so honestly. So theoretically, 152 people could unfollow at one moment, but I don't think it is. Let me refresh it. Does this also mean I'm losing messages? No, I'm not. Yeah, follower count is back. Messages seem to be intact. 2.5 hours been going for. Let's see. Modules push, self-concurrence limiter finished. Board affairs. Code results. Modules allocator create inform. It's final output artifacts. So this is linking stuff, I guess. Okay, how do I do RC creating custom code? Is there a tutorial or something? I don't care about LVM. Zero control backends using crane lift and GCC. Crane lift does not use SSA one? Code SSA? Compiler create as a dilib and then use the rustc option to tell rustc to use it. Okay, that is interesting. Let's try that. I don't know. I'm like, my goals are drifting so much. Oops. No configs, no nothing. Hold on. Why is my camera so dark? 500, 600, 1000. Oh, that is looking good. Relatively. Good enough. We'll see. YouTube check. Okay. Target features. Session target arch. Empty back. Unstable target features. Empty back. Has reliable F16 and F16 math. So those are just true falses. We'll have false. For all four. These are default for target config actually. No, there isn't. Okay, session. I should actually like import stuff. Here I should have qualified it. Session. I do need session. Right now this. Some dummy stuff. Some dummy implementations. Codegen create this. Now this is where it all comes. Yeah, import rustc middle. Println Codegen create t6 create local create qualify. No config, no nothing. We'll just do box new of this. Then join Codegen. Println join to do. Enable verifier session. Verify LLVM IR. Wait, what? Target triple build SA doesn't matter right now. Yeah, so this is daily. How do we specify package type? Compiler, rustc driver, cargo, toml. This. Yeah, that's just it. Oh, and right, this is local Codegen backend. no configs, and those things need to be imported or qualified. Use of unresolved module or unlinked, unliked. Rustc code and SSA. Okay. Yeah, right. Unstable rustc private extern create rustc code and SSA. rustc middle. Also, I should so I should probably just copy a lot of those things here. Need this. No. There is rustc private. What do you mean? Oh, wait, right. That. Wait. That. Let's see. Can't tell anything. There's just wall of text. Why are there so many errors? Okay, so this can be qualified and then placed. Wait, no. Like that. Then any. Import any, I guess. Still many things. Why? I should at least hit the top. Oh my god, that's so much. There's this session, right? rustc har. Session data structures. Data structures. Okay, just a few things now. You're kidding me. Oh my god. I thought it was just a few things. Apparently no. Probably just many instances of the same error, basically. Unstable, huh? Or wait, should it be feature instead? Oh, it is. Yeah, main areas doesn't really matter. and main. Now target, debug, chorus C. So I suggested using the Z. Cogent backend equals unsupported built-in Cogent backend. Because it's not built-in. Okay, maybe this. Cannot dynamically load position independent executable. Alright, they leap. No, it's not. Target debug orco rustc. Oh my god, 200 more crates. Come on. Crossbeam, what am I building? Crane lift probably somewhere there. $130. $140. Come on. $150. Can I not build everything? Wait, I can just build package, right? Oh right, it's so much easier. Now Excel target debug. You can tell. Libor rustc.so. .so. Missed the lib part. Huh. Okay, so it's underscore as well. Compiler unexpectedly panicked. Oh wow, that's a lot of text. Let's just back to this. Cogent create simple join. Great. That's pretty simple. No, I just don't want to use CGUs because they're annoying. So what is this? Why is it on a Minecraft map? Whatever. Okay, so let's look up, I guess, rusty Cogent crane lift. No, wait, LLVM. Mm-hmm. Sleep. The size of the code base scares me. Print. Join CodeGen. CodeGen create. Please, CodeGen create. Sorry. CodeGen create an instance. Another instance of the backend. Okay, so yeah, CraneLeaf does not use this. Welcome back. What do we need? We need CodeGen create. Returns an ongoing CodeGen. Backend beavers has extra methods. Compile CGU. What is a CGU? What is a CodeGen unit? You mean an estimate of units processing cost? Wow. So this implements extra methods. Yes, it does. Base CodeGen compile CodeGen unit. Everything is in base. Oh my god, again, all crates. Oh, it's now in LVM. Right. Where's CodeGen LVM base? Compile CodeGen unit. CodeGen unit. CGU name. Query description. Consider adding a document. Getting CodeGen unit sim. Ha. Name, symbol, item, size estimate, primary. Is code coverage dead code CGU? Okay, what's the mono item? Function, static, and global assembly. This is pretty interesting. And instance here, right? Instance kind. I mean, that's pretty possible. Reading through CodeGen backend stuff. So, would you look at that? We can now run rustc on a random Rust file with this flag that uses this CodeGen file. And it panics because to do. But I mean, it works. Anyway, hold on. Yeah, it is pretty interesting. All it took is just this function, just an entry point, theme shen. Okay, so what do we do now? I guess let's do join. Actually, can we? There must be something in CodeGen SSA that makes it easier. Getter kind. Getter agree. CodeGen create, right? I mean, I guess I can just use it for CodeGen create. To do CodeGen version. rustc CodeGen SSA CodeGen create. Wait, in base. Does ScreenLift also use something for join CodeGen? Join CodeGen. Don't cast to back. Join session. It is just join. Oops. So yeah, CodeGen create will pass some stuff there. So let's just join it, I guess. So yes, this requires some arguments, which are backend, type context, and target CPU. Or CGU, what was it? No, target CPU. A string. Ha! Interesting. Start async CodeGen. Target CPU. Okay, so what does this thing return? Huh. I don't know. Let's not return an empty string. Do a string new here. I mean, it should have docs. It doesn't have docs. Impl backend with Kujan methods. What was it called? Extra backend methods. Extra backend methods for Kujan backend. Kids and greet me. Oh, and also boxes. Why are you so angry? Rusty span. Oh, because I need Rusty AST and Rusty span and stuff. Rusty AST span. Right backend methods not implemented now. Right. Let's see errors. So many errors and warnings. This fight is fine. Train bounce. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not gonna do this right now. I'll figure it out later. Let's end there. Let's see if we have anyone. I mean, Misaka is still alive. They're from scratch doing stuff. Like, I literally can raid any of those people. Just for the sake of it. Search for compiler. Compiler. Nobody, unfortunately. So, for some reason I just got so tired. Nigel, wanna raid? I guess you have a different idea. I was about to write MCCI here. Prism. Sure, I guess. Oh, Java stuff. Hopefully it's gonna download stuff. Because it might not, because Fabric stuff. Fabric had problems last time. I mean, should have already been downloaded, everything. Everything should have already been downloaded. Right. Let's see. Category change. Oh my god, everything is slowing down. Done. I've been doing it. Sure, I guess. I'm on. I found that if you are not hovering on the window, or rather if the window is not visible, it's not gonna work. I don't know why. I hope that it doesn't apply to the launcher, but it also applies to the launcher. It's like if the Mojang loading window popped up here and I just switched desktops, it would not load until I come back. It would not progress like at all. Come on. Shared optimizations broken. Never. Come on. Thread 17 crashed. Whatever. Chunks fade in fabric. Why does it take so long? Modify what? Process environment to apply workarounds for the NVIDIA graphics driver. Come on, load up. Boot up. Why is it taking so long? I mean, I guess it's regenerating all the caches because we just saw it downloading stuff, but I'm pretty sure it I opened Minecraft recently. Connected to Discord, by the way. Here. Come on. ETF emissive suffixes. Here we are. Hopefully frames are gonna hold up. Oh my god, my camera is so out of sync. Oh my god, OBS is lagging. Come on. Come on. This should be better. Downloading resource packs now. Work. See you around. Also, why do I have stream preview enabled again? Doesn't matter, I guess. Oh my god, it's so slow. It's fine. Come on, load up. Boot up, get faster. Oh, also, forgot to mention, but for some reason cursor is always visible, as you can see right now. So here it is, and it's very annoying. I can see it, and it messes me up. So I normally just move it away. Oh, it disappeared now, which is interesting. So yeah, that's lagging. That's incredibly laggy. I do not have enough ramps for this. Let's go to 5. Simulation distance 5. Why? No, it's not graphics. Oh my god, that's so slow. Well, it should get better. Theory. Okay, now, I mean, that is pretty smooth. 20 FPS. 18. Good enough. What do we have? 23 days. Wait, new? No, it's not new. Wait, yeah, it is new. It is new. It is new. It is laggy. I mean, I guess I can like disable particles or something. It's not gonna help. Wait, I need minimal, not decreased. Let's see how bad it feels. I'm immediately going to the optional path and immediately failing there. Okay, so I did not have not seen this one. Oh. Yeah. What's wrong with me? Okay, I should probably stop like sprint jumping too much. No. Ah, that's lags, that's not me. Yeah, I do need to get a computer. Oh, that's gonna be a pain. By the way, I did a jump with a trapdoor recently. Opening trapdoor in the air, because MCCI doesn't check for... doesn't unwind stuff properly. Which was pretty cool. I spent like 20 attempts on that. But it was pretty cool. Can I get there? I mean, obviously I can. But like, how hard it is. Ah, it's lagging. It's lagging a lot. Now it's 50, now it's 20, now it's 14. Oh, here's my cursor again. Actually, I can do full screen. Oh wait, full screen goes to the other... Oh, oh no. I can't move my mouse. Wait, here. Full screen goes to the wrong monitor. Let me just fix it. Where are settings? I need wayfix settings. Also let me just do this. Okay, here. Wait. Wayfix. Wait, this. Why is it? Huh? Okay, whatever. So I need E. Eh? I have no idea which one. Select monitor, save and quit. It is gonna apply. So this should be faster. You will not be able to see the chat though. I will. Also the mouse is gonna be a bit annoying. Oh, the right. Fences. See, this is not very... So this is not very helpful. Come on. I should use strafing more. Because I can do it now. When I changed how I play. This wasn't helpful. Priest. The freezing. Okay, this is impossible. It lags so much. I mean, I can just lower everything, but what's the point? It's not that. Quality. I can't change graphics too fast. Oh wow. It's also my music. I forgot about my music. Oh my god, it's lagging so much. Probably like dead right now. Okay, maybe not dead. Fast color space sRGB. Wow, there are many apparently. Clouds fast.
Can you read chat, please?
Chat render distance. It is minimum. Okay, not minimum. Like, I'm not gonna play with 2 chunks. Lose default, fast. Smooth lighting. I can disable smooth lighting, it's not gonna help. Entity distance, 50%. Entity shadows disable vignette. Doesn't matter. Mipmap levels, ooh, 0. I don't care about mipmaps actually. I mean, do I? Maybe I do. Chunks are huge. I don't think. Chunks are not huge. Chunks are 16 by 16. I do need 5 chunks. You'll see how short 2 chunk render distance is. It's not regions that are like 9 chunks each. Or, no, 24 chunks each, I'm pretty sure. Okay, it's not lagging at least right now. Oh, it just froze. Google freeze. It is still unpleasant. Not very smooth. It's better though. Might be because there are no people here. Like, look at RAM, I don't know. 3 gigs. Come on. Come on. Maybe I should give up on that pass. Oh my god, look how laggy it is. 30 blocks is enough for anybody. No, it's not enough. So, look. Did it get better? Do you think it got better? No, it didn't. And I can't even see the challenge in front of me. ITMG, by the way. ITMG challenges are always nice. So yeah, this was useless. I'm going back to 5. So that I can at least see what's coming. Oh my god. Look how laggy it is. Surprising that I could even do it. Was that first time? See this person for the first time. Okay, so look, this was clearly a lag. It wasn't me. It wasn't my fault. I'll probably do this. Oh. It's impossible. I can't even move my mouse. Come on. What? An unknown error occurred on my server. Huh? I guess we'll try again. Just got kicked out. Come on. I'm gonna attempt this one again. Come on. Why is it so hard? Can I actually go this way? I might be able to make this jump, but probably it changes every month. But there are 7 challenges, and you can complete and like each challenge has what many sections, let's just say. But all sections can repeat. You can have the same section in multiple challenges, in multiple. Well, yeah, in multiple courses. I should say. I should say. He should not stop there. Yeah, I have no idea how I did this before. I mean, yeah, I can do this, but I don't think I don't think I'm fast enough. This is literally a new. I mean, it's not that hard. I did it multiple times before. Come on. Let's just go further. Rage quit? No. I mean, kinda, yeah. So this was a bonus pass, you can see here. Like, first bonus pass and 3 challenges and second bonus pass, etc. I just quit bonus pass. It's not rage quit, I just gave up. Ooh, snow. Snow is always fun. Right. So yeah, you can do something like that. But like this time I could just make it. Without this trapdoor thing. Oh, I hate those. I hate everything that moves. I'm pretty sure you need to hit both. Here. Yeah, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this bonus pass. Ooh, the sweet swings. I remember this one. Legs are coming. Oh, it's all legs. It's not me. It's just lagging. Come on. You believe me, or you believe in me? Oh, I'm not lying. Wait, I did not think you can do this. This is interesting, but yeah, I guess not for me. Oh my god. Right. I did not think I could do the jump, but I could, and yeah. I should also keep holding spacebar, because I released it as if variable jump height was not a thing. And I'm pretty sure it is a thing. Because if I hold it, I often make the jumps that I don't normally make. Come on. come on, stop lagging. Here. Oh, it was close. It was almost so clean. This was simpler. Oh, this looks cool. Reminds me of a particular YouTube series. Also, I'm pretty sure I've done this before. Stop lagging. I feel like it starts lagging when chat messages pop up. Might be sounds mod. So you can also make this jump, by the way. Come on. Frames are also bad. It's not frames, it is just game. That's bad. Also cursor. Come on. I know this is also a bonus part, but I don't wanna do it. Come on. If I didn't make that last jump. Oh, I hate this one. I did not get far with it. I mean, I'll give it another try. Yeah, I need to jump earlier. Yeah, I'm not doing this. I hate everything that moves. It's like the worst thing in MCCI. And I just nailed that section. To be clear, I wasn't jumping on what moves mainly, but on the trapdoors on the sides. Oh, come on. Why do we have flags now? Ooh, I did not think I could make this jump. Oh, come on. Actually, I can probably do this. Ooh, that's simpler. Ooh, that's easier, actually. Ooh, this pass is easier. The honey twist. Where I remember doing this. Oh. It's lagging. Here. Okay, let's just make it slowly. Because with legs I can't make it quickly. I can't do it quickly. No, do I have for hard one? Oh, stuff that disappears, no. Medium it is. It also disappears. It's fine. I can probably do this. It will take me a while to get the formula. Like, look, you can't even see the particles. Also, I did it wrong. Okay, so this is too early. Come on. Come on. Come on. How did I... Whatever. I skipped this first section and then just got lucky. 9 medals. Oh my god, that's awful. That's so bad. That's... Oh, that's minimal. Wait, no. How, why? Wait, no, not 9, 13 medals. Oh, I unlocked curse 2, right. 13 medals, okay. Enough. Enough of that. I'm so hungry. Now, this time, let's rate. um, Maybe perhaps anyone started streaming compiler. He'll be back. See you eventually. Or you are back. Anyway, so yeah, I don't know. Nigel wanna rate? Thanks to you. Whoever. You can choose whoever you want. I'm like so uncertain. Yeah, sure. Thank you all for joining, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Alright, I need to. Oops. Bye.